let's look at some homes. Hey guys, Kendall Trotter here once again, Nevada Asset Preservation and Management Real Estate. Taking a look at this 3,700 square foot rental home. Quite nice. I've been through this already. This is a 4-bedroom plus a loft, 3-car garage. Kind of cool. You got 2 cars over here and a little separate one over here, which can actually fit a small car or like a motorcycle. Probably not going to fit a big 4x4 truck. But nice house. This house is on the market at $24.95 a month. Like I said, it is 3,698 square feet. So it's big. So as you can see, it's got a separate living and family room. Nice woodwork on the staircase. So, well, let's get started over here, I guess, to the right. Small half bath. Pedestal sink. Nothing crazy, but it'll definitely do the job. And then right here is your little 1-car garage. I'm sorry, the light is off. Let me see if I can find it. There we are. So this is the 1-car garage part. And here we are back at the main entrance. If you look to our left, we got a good size formal dining room. And tile floors throughout, except for the formal living room and upstairs, which has carpet. This would be your family room, right off the kitchen. Really nice built-ins there, guys, with a fireplace. Gas, of course. I guess you'd have to put your TV up there now, with everything being flat screen now. But all in all, nice woodwork. Here's an overall view of the kitchen, which let's check out now. Double door pantry. Ready to go. You know, I normally don't do rentals, but our company has this one listed. We have a property management division, and this one was so nice, I figured I would go ahead and take a video and bring it to you guys. A lot of you people out there may want to rent before you buy. Get your feet wet for the neighborhood. Nice double oven. Obviously does come with a refrigerator. Real nice cherry stained cabinets. With black granite countertops. Hey, there's even some wine here. May have to stay a while. I'm just kidding. I don't drink wine. Just don't have a taste for it. Nice stove. griddle in the middle. Yeah, this is GE Monogram stuff. Nice stuff. And a good size, real good size center island. So this is pretty cool. Get your little center island here. And you've got a place for bar stools all the way around. Nice little built-in there, storing your good china or your knickknacks. Glass cabinet facing, so decorative stuff. Right here, we have our double garage.
Garage door.
See, the house even tells you where you're at. Okay, got some storage there. Nice, and a water softener over there I can see. Off to the right of that, we have a 3/4 bath with a shower, toilet, sink, and vanity. And this is, sorry if I can find the light somewhere. This is probably about a 10 by 10 bedroom with a closet. All right. Trying to shut off these lights as I go. House is so big, there's about 400 light switches in here. I'll never find them all again. Let's take a look at the backyard while we're here. See, there's a house talking to you again. Let me know you're going in your backyard. I've got a ceiling fan out here on the nice covered patio. That thing is putting off some wind too. It really works. Good sized backyard, guys. That's synthetic grass, so you don't have to mow it. It's a big thing here in Vegas now. People like the grass look, but they don't like mowing it, so they buy fake grass. But pretty good sized backyard. I don't know if I mentioned this is a gated community as well. Not guard gated, but mechanically gated, where you have a remote to come in. Make sure this is locked. I'll have to come back to that. All right, all locked up. Okay, so the back sliding door is right off the kitchen. Let's nosy upstairs. Really nice layout in this home. Real open, lots of archways. Living room. I do like these stair railings. All the new homes are going with the metal, and you know, there's nothing wrong with that. Just a style, I guess. They're all going modern, but something about a nice, pretty wood stair railing sets a house off. Okay, second floor. Here's your loft area. Good size. I'd say this is at least 14 by 12. And you got a little bonus area over here. Let's take a look at the upstairs bedrooms. That would be the master off to the right. So let's look at the secondary rooms first. Here's your full bath, second floor bath, double sinks, tub shower. On down the hall. Told you this was a big house, guys. Another little bedroom with a ceiling fan. Excuse me. And a huge bonus room. Now this actually is not considered a bedroom. It doesn't have a closet. But look at the size of it, man. And this has tile floors. This is a good sized room. So this could be exercise equipment, game room, another TV room. Sky's the limit on this. Pretty cool. So this actually has a loft up here, plus this bonus room. Very nice. This bedroom is 14 by 11, I would say. With the ceiling fan again. And a walk-in closet. Upstairs laundry. With laundry room sink and shelving. My house has the downstairs laundry. I'm always carrying clothes up and down the stairs. I always say upstairs laundries are better until you have a flood. Good size master, guys. This is, I'm going to say this is 20 by 18. Cool coffered ceiling. Not sure what light out there. Nice big master. Bring all your stuff here. All right, let's take a look at the master bath. Let's see if there's a light in there somewhere. I gotta tell you, there was more light switches on the wall. This electrician made $1 million when he did this house, I'll tell you. Put a lot of light switches in. Nice shower, floor to ceiling tile. Good size too. Very nice. And what do you know? The glass doors are even clean on a used house. I'm kind of chuckling to myself. I've been in a lot of houses, and this is what separates the men from the boys here. That's how clean the shower door is. They're hard to keep clean. Like Spanish tile countertops here. It is a double sink. I got another one over here next to the tub. These are the raised sinks, so they're higher than standard. The countertop height. So here's your closet. That's pretty cool. Look at that little divider. Good sized closet. Nothing to complain about with this closet. That's kind of a first that I've ever seen though. I've been in thousands of houses. That's pretty cool. Alright, believe it or not, I think that we've covered all 3,800 square feet of this home. So anyways, folks, I will leave our company's contact information in the description below. If you're interested in this home, you can call our office directly, and they'll get you pointed in the right direction. But really nice. Space in here. Very open and roomy. Alright folks, I appreciate you watching this. I'm Kendall Trotter, Nevada Asset Preservation and Management Realty. And the house I'm in is part of the and management name because we're managing this. So let me know in the comments what you think of this house, the price. What did I say, $24.95 a month? And could be yours. You could be moving in anytime. So if you're interested, look in the comments. Contact information will be in there. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day. Rock on and God bless.